everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial we want to crochet a book sleeve. You can use this tutorial to crochet this book sleeve for any size of books or notebooks. This is an adorable gift if you want to crochet it for your mother or your best friend or your girlfriend or boyfriend. I use single crochet and double crochet to crochet this book sleeve. And that's it, let's start crocheting. I'm going to start with the blue color. You need to use a light blue color to make it more beautiful. And a 3mm hook. First I want to make one slip knot like this. I'm going to insert my hook. Now I want to chain. Let me show you the book that I want to crochet a book sleeve for it. This is the book I want to use, and the length of the chains should be 2 centimeters less than the book length. So let's crochet first. I'm going to chain. In the first step, you don't need to count the chains. Now let's check the size of the book. So this book is 21 centimeters, so my chains should be 19 centimeters. Don't pull the chains when you want to measure it. So this is the start of the chain. It's almost 18 centimeters. I guess I need 2 more chains. And 2. Okay, 2 more chains. Let's measure it again. Yes, it's 19 centimeters now. The second step is to count the chains. Okay, I have 43 chains, but the number of chains should be one of these numbers. So if the number of your chains is not one of these numbers, you should undo 1 or 2 chains. So I need to undo 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now I have 41 chains. When you get to the one of those numbers, we are going to start crocheting again. You need to chain 1, and now in the second chain from the hook, I want to do 1 single crochet. In the next one, 1 single crochet. Again, 1 single crochet. I'm going to do single crochet until here, and then we need to have 3 single crochets inside of the last chain. When you get to the last chain, which is this one, you need 3 single crochets, 1 inside of the same chain, 2. Now I want to turn my work, and inside of the same chain I'm going to do another single crochet. So now we have 3 single crochets inside of the same chain. Now I want to crochet on the other side of the chains, like this. You see, this is the other loop of this chain. So we are going to do single crochet, 1 single crochet inside of each chain until we get here. This is the loop of the last chain, so I'm going to do 2 single crochet inside of this one. So crochet until here, and I'm going to show you this. So this is the loop of the last chain. I'm going to do 2 single crochets inside of it. 1 and 2. This was round 1. Now I want to start the round 2. This is the first single crochet we made. I'm going to do 1 single crochet inside of this stitch and mark it as the first stitch of this round. Now I want to do another single crochet inside of the same stitch. We are going to increase on these 3 stitches which are in the same chain, in this side and this side. Now I increased 1 time, then I'm going to do single crochets, simple single crochets until here, and then we need 3 increases, 1, 2, 3, and then again single crochet on this side until we get here, and in these 2 last stitches we need to increase. So after this increasing, simple single crochet until these 3 stitches. So when you get here, we need 3 increases, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch, again the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, again the next stitch, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. Again, I'm gonna do single crochet on this side until I get to these 2 stitches. Okay, now in the last 2 chains, I'm gonna do 2 increases, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the first one, and in the second one, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets. Now take out the stitch marker, we don't need it. In the next stitch, I'm gonna do 1 slip stitch like this. Now I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to start double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. In the next one, pull through 2. We are going to change the color here. We count these 3 chains as 1 double crochet. Now I need the white yarn. Grab the yarn, pull it through these 2 loops. Now we want to crochet with the white yarn. We have to hide the yarn tails, like this tail and the working yarn, the blue working yarn. So this is what I'm gonna do. First yarn over just like the simple double crochet. Then when you insert your hook under the V shape of this stitch, the next stitch, you have to hold the working yarn, the blue working yarn, and the yarn tail in here like this. Now they are behind of the working yarn. Let me show you again. So you see these 2 tails? Two white double crochet. Again, I'm gonna hold them. On the last white double crochet, pull through 2, stop, and change the color. So I'm gonna change the color now. I need the blue working yarn, pull through 2. Now again, we need to hide these 2 tails. So I'm gonna work with the blue yarn, yarn over in the next stitch, 1 double crochet, in the next one, 2 double crochets, in the next one, 3 double crochets, and we need to change the color. Pull through 2, stop, and change the color to white. Pull through 2. Now again, I'm gonna hold the yarn. You see this tail is over. I'm gonna hold the blue yarn, yarn over, insert your hook, double crochet, 1. Again, I'm holding this yarn 2, 2 double crochets, again, 3 double crochet, and now I have to change the color. Pull through 2. Now I'm gonna work with the blue yarn. So I'm gonna hold the working yarn, the white working yarn, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. On number 3, we are going to change the color. Okay, we need to do this until the end of the round, until here. You must have 3 double crochets in each part from each color, and then I'm going to tell you what to do in the end of the round. So when you get here to the end of the round, these are the 3 chains. I'm going to count them from here, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to insert my hook inside of the third one, like that, you see. I'm going to hold the other working yarn in here, and this is the current working yarn. Stitch. I'm going to hold it, grab, pull through, and make 1. Now I want to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3 as the first double crochet. This is the next stitch, so yarn over, insert your hook, hold the blue working yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again in the next one, pull through 2, stop, and change the color. Again, I'm going to hold it, pull through 2, pull through 2. Like this. You need to crochet. You see, this is the length of the book sleeve. You need to crochet until it gets here to the end of the book. You see, from here, from the bottom to the top of the book or your notebook. So keep making rounds over and over again, change the color until you get to the enough size. I'm gonna see you after that. This is the size of my book sleeve for now. Let's check this. It's good. When you get here in this size, you need to see this part of the tutorial. When you get here, if the white yarn was on your hook instead of the blue yarn, you just need to chain 1 with the blue yarn and change the color. After that, we just want to cut the white yarn. Now I want to chain 1. If you already have 1 chain because of changing the color, you don't need to do it. If you don't, then go on and chain 1. The next stitch is this one. You need to hold the white tail and do single crochet. We're not going to change the color. I just want to single crochet around the book sleeve. Now we don't have the tail. It's hidden. You have to do single crochet until you get to the middle of the book sleeve. If you don't know where the middle of the book sleeve is, you should count these 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So number 8 is in the middle. Let's find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this double crochet is exactly in the middle of the book sleeve. So I'm going to do single crochet until I get here, and I'm going to tell you what to do next. Okay, now I got here. You see, I'm here. Now I'm going to do 1 single crochet. Then I have to chain. The number of chains might be different in your sleeve, so I'm going to tell you where to stop. So these are my chains. I want to turn my sleeve to show you something. We're gonna have a cloud in here like this one, and the length of the chains depends on the size of your book sleeve and the thickness of the book. So you need to first put your book inside of the sleeve, so the length of the chain should be enough for this part of the sleeve. Let's keep crocheting. When you get to the size that you want for the chains, I'm going to do 1 single crochet inside of the same stitch right there. Then again single crochet, over and over again until you get to the start of the round. So do single crochet all around it until you get here. Okay, when you got here, you need one slip stitch in the next stitch, like this. Now we need a tail to hide the yarn. Got it now? Now you're gonna need a needle to hide the tail. Okay, now it's time to crochet the cloud. Use the link inside of the description and ask me if you have any question. I will answer. After crocheting the cloud, I'm gonna meet you here. This is the cloud I crocheted. You need glue gun to stick the cloud to the middle of the sleeve. Don't stick your cloud on the side which has the chains. It should be in this side. I'm gonna use glue gun only on here, not the sides. And I stick this in the middle of the sleeve, right there. Now push it, and this is it. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for any future videos. As always, see you guys.